turn things over to Ben, who's watching the skies and Storm Tracker 4 as well closely.
Do you just need more attention again, Ben? Is that what this is
today?
today?
Want to be put higher up in the newscast.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
I wish that's what it was, guys. But unfortunately, yeah, I mean, we're near 90 degrees today, and usually this is the time we'd be staring at the skies waiting for those thunderstorms to pop. But that's not the setup that we're looking at tonight. It's going to be an overnight thunderstorm threat. And some of that's going to be here before a lot of us are going to get out of bed tomorrow. And that's what makes this a little bit scarier than it would be otherwise. Let's take a look at the satellite and radar, because those storms that we're going to be seeing now are still well away from us. And you can see they're up there in parts of northern Minnesota, just now starting to move into the UP. Some of those extending down into Green Bay. And even though they are relatively far away, they're going to increase in speed, and the speed is going to be part of the problem here as we expect these storms to form a line and eventually possibly become a derecho overnight, which means those fast-moving linear thunderstorms that have the potential for damaging winds. And that is the biggest threat that we're staring at tonight. Small hail, pretty low on the scale. Flooding, well, obviously with any of these thunderstorms that we've seen recently, and especially with the infrastructure issues that Rod was pointing out earlier, downpours likely to cause some isolated flooding. Plus, this is going to be pre-dawn in some cases, so if you are an early commuter tomorrow and you're going to be traveling before the sun comes up, just be aware there's going to be some issues on some roads. Tornado threat looks minimal, but as we saw last night, tough to rule it out anytime we've got severe storms in the area. Here's a look at the timing, and we should get through the midnight hour clean. By 2 a.m., we're probably going to be fine as well. 3 o'clock to 4 a.m., that's when the first showers and thunderstorms are going to push in. But the strongest stuff is out here to the west. You can see those purple shades obviously indicating some heavy rain, but that's also where the strongest wind field is going to be as well. And watch these form into a line here just within the hour plus. 5, 6 a.m., that bow starts really accelerating down to the south and west of us. We're still going to be on the eastern side of that, but still affected by it. West and south zone, you're going to get the hardest punch from these thunderstorms right about that time, between about 4 and 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then a cold front will come through, finally ending some of the rain behind the leading edge of storms by about 2 o'clock. Instability showers are going to be possible as we get into the afternoon hours and evening, but that's pretty weak compared to what we're going to be dealing with in the morning. Current temperatures, actually, let's go through the bottom line here. 4 to 8 o'clock, that's the time frame we're looking at. South and west zones hit the hardest, and damaging winds will be the biggest threat, and flooding is going to be an issue as well. We said we're at 90 degrees right now. We're right at that mark at Metro Airport. A lot of mid-80s out there currently, and those numbers cool off a little bit into the north zone. 82 there in Howell, 83 in Linden, and we are seeing some 70s up in Sanilac County, but generally it is a warm afternoon, and this is now the 7th time this year that we have hit 90 degrees. Lows tonight going down to 71, so it is going to be muggy, and remember, we'll hit that low when the thunderstorms come through early tomorrow morning. 83 on the high side tomorrow. Then we cool off and drop the humidity over the weekend, guys, but all eyes on the skies. Make sure you have multiple ways to get warnings tonight, especially if you're going to be in bed when those storms hit.